Hi, my name is Sumer Singh. I'm a cricket coach at Empower Cricket Academy. Now in my today's video, the series of videos that we are sharing in regarding to the skill batting, I'm going to share something which is very interesting. Bat management drill. Now the bat management drill will help us that how effectively we can use the bat to perform better. Now before we start working on these drills, let me explain that human body is blessed with 12 limbs, 6 limbs upper body and 6 limbs lower body. So when I say 6 limbs in the upper body, the first limb is from shoulder to elbow, second is from elbow to wrist, and third is from wrist to the fingers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Similarly, when I talk about the lower limbs, from hip to knees, knees to ankle, and ankle to toes. And these are the 6 limbs lower body and 6 limbs upper body. Now, how effectively we can coordinate the use of these 6 limbs to get better results is related to this drill. These drills are related to biomechanical movements. Now, biomechanics is the science of human motion. These drills will help you to adapt the foreign body, the bat, as an extended limb. So when I talk about a right-handed batsman, the top hand is the left hand, and limb 1, 2, 3 and 4th is the bat. When I talk about the left-handed batsman, the top hand is right hand, 1, 2, 3, and the extended limb is the bat. Let's start the drills. The first drill, hold the bat in your right hand. Now release your fingers and balance the bat. Shoot. Next drill, balance the bat on your forefinger, the first finger, and release the top hand now. Shoot. Now move to the left hand, the next hand, first finger. Release your top hand and now balance. Shoot. The next drill is hold the bat in your hand, release the fingers, go down on your right knee, up, shoot. Then move on to the next hand, left hand. Release your fingers, go down on your left knee, up, release. The next drill is tapping the ball on the edge of the bat, like start. Down, right leg, up, left leg, up. Brilliant. The next drill is tapping the ball with one hand, the right hand first. Start. Down, right leg, up, left leg, down, both legs, up, go back, yellow cone at the back. Come front, yellow cone on your, orange cone on your side, orange cone in the front. Brilliant, well done. Right, the next drill is holding the bat with the right hand in front and the left at the back. And start tapping. Hold. Start. Hold. Start. Hold. The next drill is the same drill with the left hand on the top and the right hand at the bottom. Start. Hold. Start. Hold. Brilliant. Okay, the next drill is hold the bat with two hands and start tapping. Hold. Switch. Hold. Switch. Hold. Well done, recover. Well, the next drill is can be done by using a soft tennis ball and effective use of the handle. Brilliant. Thanks, Rakesh sir. The next drill is by using a soft tennis ball against a plain wall. You can use a plain wall and a soft tennis ball and do this drill with single hand and both hands. Like, so with both hands first. Right hand. Both hands. Left hand. Brilliant. Thank you, Rakesh sir. By practicing these drills, your hand will accept the foreign body, the bat, and you will start using the fourth limb more effectively, just like how we use a pen, pencil or a brush. So I wish you all the best.